It is baseball, right, Haas? Yes, it is. 23. Okay. All right, guys, we got baseball. Buyback memorabilia break number 23. We have 2 boxes here. 1, 2, 3 on the top box. 4, 5, 6 on the bottom. Yeah, it makes total sense, dude. I didn't even think about it, bro. Top box. Top box is going to be number 59. I'm glad you said something, dude, because I'm thinking, oh, got to get everybody, got to get it out, you know. But now that you mentioned it, it's totally get it. Yeah, we'll do that from now on. From here on out, no doubt. I don't know how fast it gets out anyways, but it might depend. But yeah. Give it 10 minutes next time. Alright, boys and girls, here we go. Good luck. We got the Dodgers. That is Steve Garvey. No way. My aunt hooked up with Garvey. Sorry, Auntie. Good old Steve-O. No, they were friends. Never mind, they were friends. I haven't seen her in so many years. She doesn't even know where I'm at. We haven't seen each other in probably 25 years. All right, here we go. She'd be like, yes, I did. Carlton Fisk. What about it? For the Boston Red Sox, we got a nice helmet of Carlton Fisk for Boston. There we go, BOS. JSA on that, by the way. Beckett on Garvey. JSA on Fisk. And we got a jersey. Oh, sick. What a beauty. Box is empty. There we go. Better view. Victor Roble Souchet for the Nationals. What a nice jersey. Beckett certified. Very cool. I like it. Nice sig. Baseball should start picking up on, you know, doing memorabilia and stuff. Should start picking up better. Now the seasons start kicking in good. All right, let's see who owns these items. See who they belong to. All right, let's check it out. What do we got? I did order a new tripod, just hasn't got here yet. All right, let's look up the Red Sox. See who in the heck has those. Boston. Oh, custom. Baseball. Boston. Boston. Nico was on Inception. And that is... And the Red Sox going to the Hosinator. Carlton Fisk. Hazy Bobazi. Yep, there it is. Nice helmet, Haas. All right, Carlton Fisk. Dude, dog's just barking 7:30 at night. How come the shock collar's not kicking in on my dogs? I got the shock collar turned up full blast. I'm just joking. There's no shock collar. Man, your dogs bark a lot for having a shock collar. I could never do that, man. That's horrible. Goldie. You in the graded. Okay, Goldie was in the graded. Mare Bear. And the Dodgers going to Hazy. Jeez, dude, what the heck, bro? Double dipping, bro. You gotta be kidding me, dude. Of course, Garvey was with the Padres as well, right? Old Steve-O. He had to be at the Padres because he was around my aunt. Let's see. Nationals. Nationals is Sato Nationales. Nationals going to Phillip. There we go, bro. Nice hit, Phil. Nice one, brother. Phil the Thrill. All right, guys, there we go. We can always list more baseball. No